Hi Pamela, how are
Hi,
you?
I'm good, thanks.
Hi
How is
Richard,
it?
how are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Alex every time talks about you both. How's the day going?
Yeah, not bad.
Thanks, actually, firstly, thanks for coming in here. And
Yes.
just really appreciate your efforts for coming in here.
Welcome.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's start. So about your business, as you said, like
Yes.
Insight Studio is your business. So let's just discuss on your scenario because I have couple of solutions for you and couple of offers, financial offer solutions for you, which will help you to build your business and grow your business. So I will be informing you, advising you, and letting you all the solutions. But the first thing is that if you get confused or if you like don't understand anything, just ask me straight away, and I'll stop it and I'll be explaining everything in the plain English so you guys understand the basic.
Thank you.
So
Thanks.
firstly, let's start about like Pamela. You have mentioned that you are facing some problem in the cash flows. Like what kind of a problem you're facing?
This is the main problem actually for our business is like we have a good business, it's running good, but all the customers who comes in our shop, they always take the materials from us, take the products, and then they says that they will come back and they will pay. They have to pay in like installments. In this way,
That is actually a very big.
it's a disaster actually. We are just having so much problem, and they don't return. They don't come back. So that's a big problem.
So I do have a solution for this only, but I was just going through your notes and also I find it out that you wanted to buy an equipment also for the growth of your business.
Exactly.
So how urgent, like how quick and urgent you need that equipment? And you guys, you are
as we can.
yeah, and you guys are try to get it under the W grant.
Yeah.
I'm explaining you about. So Rishabh, what about your vehicle? Like how much that vehicle is affecting your day-to-day work? Like which condition the car is in now?
Actually, the car is in good condition. Problem is that it's so old, and the new car has come with lots of like lots of yeah.
And as per your business shows, like the industry you are in details, so you should need a good car
Yeah.
so that you can do all your daily going
Yes.
and coming everything properly. So you
Yeah.
should need a car. So as discussed with you all, I have noted all the things and I do have a couple of solutions for all the problems. So I will be explaining you everything and which will help you, of course, to come on a solution. So, firstly, let's come on Richard. So, you are going want to buy a car. So, I have couple of three options. Like you can buy a car under a shuttle mortgage. So, shuttle mortgage is a car you can own from a day one, and then you can pay your installments.
Okay.
The other option is your finance lease, in which the car will be of the lender, but you can go take it under lease for like 4 years, 5 years, and not return it back. Another is novated lease. Under novated lease, you do the payments from your pre-tax income, so which will help you in the tax benefit also. That advice can be given to your by your accountant. So this is options I have. Like you can buy your car anytime, and I think it will be quicker. And you can get a new car, go and just develop your income, your business.
Yeah. Okay.
And if I like, what do you think? Like, you want to have any kind of like a structured loan, like for a structured loan, the shuttle mortgage will suits you more. So if you want to go for that, you can go for that.
Oh, sure.
And it will like not be putting any pressure on your business bank accounts. It will be a normal installments. It will be going by itself, and you have to just maintain that balance in your business.
Sure.
Another thing about the, as Pamela has mentioned about the debtors, right? The problem you're facing it. So I have a couple of solutions for that. So firstly, you can do the debtor finance, like invoice financings, under which you will receive approximately 80 to 90% of the invoice upfront from the lender. which will help you to maintain your cash flows and waiting when your customers are coming back. The second solution what I have is for professional services, which will help you to get your overdue account from the clients. The third solution, if you want, you can go for some deposits or for short term or automated reminders, which you can send to your clients, and the customer in this way will be returning your money on time. So you can think on it and just let me know if you had any problem or anything in understanding advertising media and your business finances will be controlled and you will be having enough money to do all your business and day-to-day finances. Another thing related to your equipment, right? The equipment you wanted to buy for your business. So you can go for a equipment lease, you can go for a hire purchase or operating lease. So they will help you to buy equipment on a lease term, and then you can slowly pay off your all the installments, and it will be help you to build the equipment and your business.
That's right.
So for this, I have a government grant. It's a tender support.
That's a great news.
Yeah. So this is the
Very
best
nice.
solution which gonna suit for your business. So under which a professional can prepare your application grant, which will be written by a consultant, and
Yeah.
the professional will gonna write your application
Sure.
and ensuring or and keeping all the compliances checks and everything, and will give you 100% success in that. Some grants require co-funding. We can help you to structure that also if you want to, and a consultant will be there to help you in a professional way in your business to help these government grants done. So, is there anything you have not understood until now and which you want me to explain you again? I will be happy in doing that.
I don't think so. Like you are around us, so
Yeah, so I will be helping you in a whole time, and there you will be maintaining your business funds, getting all the overdue amount. You gonna get a good new vehicle, a safe vehicle actually.
Yeah.
And it will be like how to get new tenders and everything. So we are here. So yeah, and you have noticed. I have noticed that you wanted to go for a Navy contract.
Yeah.
Under this government grant,
That's
there are
true.
higher chance of winning the Navy grant, in which you will be like as you told me that you will be supplying classes to the Navy people, and the government grant will be
That's
happening,
true.
and we have the higher chance in getting that tender done. So I will be closing that and explaining you everything. Rachel and Pamela. Firstly, now we are going on a finalizing point. So before we finalizing, I just want to hear your thoughts, like how you both are feeling whatever we have discussed for, and what are your thoughts once we will discuss this, and I will be letting you know everything, like how we are proceeding. Like, are you
Sure.
fine with the options given and
Yes, of
all
course.
are, yeah? All right. So firstly, I would just do everything in one line. So getting a vehicle, government grant, along with those making your debtors online. So there are a couple of advantages if you're gonna do like that. Firstly, getting a new car, that will increase. Firstly, if we talk on the safety things, it will be safe for you, because going everywhere and getting your clients and doing all the things on an easy with that old vehicle which can stop anytime, so having a new vehicle will more help you to do more tasks in one day.
yeah.
These things will help you to get your tax benefits also. So for that, you can just contact the accountants. I have couple of accountants in my circle. I can give you that. Can also
That's really good. Yes.
Your monthly repayments will be predictable for your car, and then we'll be deciding writing an application for the government and everything. Business will take your liability, and that you, as in case of the vehicle, you can cover it in your taxes, and like you will be getting everything sorted, which will help you at the end for the growth of your business. So if I see here, like there will be kind of little risk, which are not much if I compare it with advantages.
What kind of risk?
So that will be like if you buy, actually, if you don't say a risk, something related to your car, to your business. But I wanted to let you know, like these things can come up. You have to be prepared for that. Like you have to take the insurance, as you know, comprehensive insurance and everything. Then your credit, on your credit profile, it will show that you're under the loan, so you have to maintain that also and other things. So based on everything, whatever we have discussed now, it seems like a financing a vehicle with a shuttle mortgage or finance lease will be benefit. So are you both comfortable moving
Yes.
with the plan with the shuttle mortgage?
Yes, we are comfortable.
Thank you so much for this.
We targeted on that.
So I also want to completely be very transparent that I will be not taking any fees or anything from you. It's all the commission-based things. So you don't worry about my fees. It is only that if my clients are happy, I am happy. So whatever is my fees, it's not at your end. These are the commission-based things, and the bank and the lenders will be doing that. So no fees for you.
That's the benefit.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thanks a lot. And as I told you, that we do have some business advisors, or accountants, and insurance brokers with whom you can connect. If you want, I can give you the list of them, and you can just have a look and discuss with them. And lastly, at the end, I would like to thank you both for coming here, giving me your precious time and discussing on the loan and the financial
Thank you so much
solutions.
for you
And
too
the
as
best
well.
thing is that we have come on some end. Thank you so much for this, and I will be sending you an email. So for all the ongoing things, I will be contacting you on the email and the phones. You can contact me anytime for any questions. Just call me, send me email. I will be there to answer all your questions and everything. So we together will be sitting and doing all the things for you. I will be doing it, but for any problem and solutions, just call me and I will be looking after for you. If you have any question at any stage, contact me and I will give you my phone number. Maybe I can send you an email where you can
Yeah.
contact me.
You send me.
Yeah.
That's
It was really nice meeting Richard and Pamela. Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
many times.
Have a great day. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna